It's a good day. It's a good day. Any excuse to make a Caesar on a Wednesday. Woo! Caesars! David Schwimmer and friends right there. Caesars!
And shares my share.
Caesars, Canada's drink. I don't know what crazy Canadian came up with this though too, but bless him or her heart. Have you ever had a Bloody Mary before? If you're from outside of Canada, it's basically that, but we decided that we would go and get a whole bunch of fresh clams, open up the clams, take the juice from all the clams, and put it inside of our drink. That's how we do it here. And by no means is this going to be like the traditional one, but this is how I like to do it. Follow along. So I'm going to cut up a beautiful lime, segment it because we need to rim our glass. Here I've taken the Montreal steak spice, got it on a wonderful plate, and you're going to take it around. Now for me personally, I don't go crazy with the rim on my Caesar. I like to enjoy what's inside of the drink, and I'll also put some of the Montreal steak spice as the rimmer inside of the drink as well. So I don't like to go too crazy on it. So yeah, it's gonna look a little something like that. So I'm gonna start with some beautiful prepared horseradish. There was a time back in the year 2015 or something, my buddy Shane and I would go have Caesars at Tall Boys up on Bloor, and my good friend Leah Mack would make us these bomb Caesars on Sunday morning when we were really hungover or had been working all night on a Saturday night. So anyway, it's kind of an homage to my friend Leah as well. There you go. Okay, so we got a nice spoonful of horseradish in the bottom of our glass. We're gonna take our beautiful Matt and Steve's pickled beans here, the hot and spicy ones. In my opinion, this is one of the greatest ingredients of all time. Canadian guys who just started making pickled beans and stuff. Anyway, really good. Oh, I did it. God, I gotta get to the gym. The beans inside are actually gonna be garnished for the whole Caesar, but I'm gonna take a couple tablespoons of the actual pickling liquid and put it inside as well. It's gonna give a nice flavor, nice spiciness. That went in just fine. Like 3 tablespoons. There you go. We're gonna take our beautiful Worcestershire sauce here. There's nothing else like it in the world. Lee and Perrins though, can't go wrong. You gotta get it. I'm gonna do 1, 2, just 2 dashes, that's it. Now next up, I'm a big hot sauce guy. I'm a big fan of Dawson's here. I'm using their big smoked chipotle sauce actually. Really spicy, but really, really smoky. 1, we'll go 2, 3, there you go. The way I was taught as well, salt and pepper always goes in, even though you have a whole bunch of seasoning and stuff as well. Okay, so we have beautiful Georgian Bay vodka here. Keep it Canadian as much as you can. You can use anything you want. You can smear it off if you want to. I myself, and this is personal preference, I never measure out much for my Caesars. As you shall see right now, as I put that much in. Now everyone's gonna be like, Rylan, was that 1 shot? Was that 2 shots? Was that a shot and a half? What do? I don't know. And then we're gonna take a little bit of our Walter Caesar mix here as well. It's my absolute favorite. It is my go-to for any Caesar that I make. If you wanna go for the Matt's Clamato one, by all means go ahead if you want to. If you can't find Walter's though, highly recommend it. That's how much I'm gonna do right there. You can shake this if you want to. You can just mix it around right now if you want to as well. But the way that I was taught at a bar institute back in like 2010 or something like that, 2 glasses, one like this, and then yeah. Now, I know a lot of you probably saying, Rylan, that's gonna dirty 2 glasses. Why would I dirty 2 glasses? It's an excellent point. You're gonna top up your glass. You really want it full. You're gonna take your beautiful Caesar mix. Wow, nailed it. Now, best part, my favorite part. I'm a 3-bean kind of guy. I mean, I could tell you it's the best Caesar that you're ever gonna drink. Just gonna have to find out for yourself. Go make one, delicious. Hit the spot. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh, like it's never not good. So good. Make another one for you?
Yes, please.
Make one for Lewis. All right. Let's take it.